create department service. Bro, சொல்றேன். First we have to create a department service, bro. In the department service, we have to add dependency like wait, I'll show. No, brother. So in department service, we should add a dependency like accutator, starter web, Netflix. This is act as a client. So Netflix as Eureka client and போட்டா இந்த dependency வரும், ஓகேவா? And cloud and starter web. அதாவது JPA.
அதுவே ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா வரும்.
இல்ல இல்ல, இதெல்லாம் நம்ம நடுவுல இன்சர்ட் பண்ணோம்.
ஓகே,
நடுவுல இன்சர்ட் பண்ணோம். நம்ம ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ணும்போது இவ்வளவுலாம் பண்ணல. இதெல்லாம் நான் இன்சர்ட் பண்ணிருக்கேன் பாருங்க. லாம்போட், SQL. So basic dependencies are accutator, okay, accutator, web, client server, Eureka client, okay, then a cloud, then JPA, Lombot is used for default getters and setters. MySQL
ஒர்க் ஆகுதா ப்ரோ உங்களுக்கு?
எனக்கு ஒர்க் ஆச்சு.
எனக்கு வந்து லாம்பாக் போட்டா ஒர்க் ஆகல. நம்ம கெட்டர் செட்டர் மேனுவலா போட்டாதான் ஒர்க் ஆகுது.
அது லாம்பாட் இது பண்ணுமே.
எது பண்ணும்?
அந்த ஒரு டவுன்லோட் பண்ணாதே, பண்ணீங்களா?
இல்ல ப்ரோ, அதான் மதியமே நான் கிளாஸ் ஒழுங்கா பார்க்கல. போன்ல தான்
நான் சொல்றேன் இருங்க, ஒண்ணுனா வரேன்.
ஓகே.
These are the dependencies should be there, ஓகேவா? So after that we have to create a controller, entity, repository, service by right clicking on the default package, and there will be a controller, there will be entity, and there will be repository. Repository should be interface service. So here the this is the Lord is coming by this annotation, ஓகேவா ப்ரோ?
ஓகே,
இது வந்து ஒரு லாம்போட்டோட ஒரு annotation வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். So this if we don't have this now, it will show error here. It just if you use system.out.print, it will print in the console, right? So using the log, we will be able to store this information anywhere. That sir didn't teach us today. He will teach us tomorrow, I guess. We can print this anywhere we want. If you use system.out.print, it will be printed only in the console, right? So for a change, they used this one. Okay. So here same only. Okay. Nothing different.
Okay.
As usual, our Spring Boot project. This and all I don't know. This and all code. Repository, service, everything is done. Yes, wait, I will come to entity. See here, entity is representing this as a entity class.
Okay.
And data is used to add getters and setters. This represent argument constructor. This represent non-argument constructor, and this is a auto-generated department ID.
Okay.
So these are the things in the department service. Coming to department service application YAML. First, we have to change the properties to YAML.
ஏன் ப்ரோ எல்லா இதுக்கும் YAML-னே மாத்தணும்?
அது வந்து மைக்ரோ சர்வீஸ்ல we should do.
Okay.
அது தவிர நான் தெரியல ப்ரோ.
Okay.
So here we have this as default. We have in a single line. Spring application name department service, we have in a single line. We have to copy that single line and post in ChatGPT, asking it to convert into YAML file. So it will give string application name like that. So without using config server, here will be a different thing. What will be there now? போயிட்டானா? So So config without config server, uh, these things will be there here. Okay, okay, wow. Like uh, without config, don't think about config. Without config, uh, these implementation is done here.
Okay.
We using config to interact with database, and if any error happens in department service, we can access the config server without accessing the department service. So
Oh,
that's why we are creating another Spring Boot project config. Here we are adding dependency like cloud. Basically, config is a cloud. That's all. It's a server. So we just needed uh, cloud cloud dependency. Okay.
okay.
So so here we give the implementation details. This is the implementation details of the department service. Like this here, here it should be there. But, we are creating a folder in SRC main resource called config. In that we have to give the same project name. Here we gave no department service dot YAML. So
Okay.
I have to add the things I add here. I can add here also.
Okay.
We are just like connecting. So once it is connected, once we added the details, this is my DB name, this is my password, hibernator. So I am giving this port number. This is not department service port number. This is config server port number.
Okay.
This project's port number. So here I gave hello. தப்பா சொல்லிட்டு வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ this ஃபுல்லாவே வந்து இட்ஸ் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் சர்வீஸ் திங். ஓகேவா? இது ஃபுல்லாவே. ஆனா அதோட பேர் வந்து இட் ஷுட் பி நேம் சேம் அஸ் அவர் ப்ராஜெக்ட்.
Oh,
ஓகேவா? ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் கான்ஃபிக் சர்வர்ஸ் அப்ளிகேஷன் YAML.
oh. சர்வீஸை கனெக்ட் பண்றதுக்காக.
ஆமா அது ஓகே. ஸோ so in this YAML we are just doing these things. Config, the name of the folder. Import, okay. Config server, localhost 8088. What means 8088 is config server port number is 8088.
Okay.
So once we are running the config from the here, okay. So it will run native means within the project. It looks for a git link,
Uh,
but we are giving native means it will search here. So it will run. This will run. So this only this works actually. Okay.
Okay.
Service registry is nothing but like how we are handling the configuration in the config server. Service will be handled. Service in the service like thing in the service registry. இதுல எதுவுமே பண்ண வேணாம் bro. Uh, like simple. Here we have application YAML, right?
mm,
So in this we are giving this port number for service registry, application name, service registry, Eureka instance, client. This is not a client, right? So false.
false. Okay.
Okay. This is the default thing.
Mm.
And in the department service, wait, we are given discovery client, right?
Okay.
Why? Because here we should add enable Eureka server. It acts as a server. If I give this
Department service act as a client.
client, so if any service configuration will be made here. That's the difference between these two.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So last bro கொஞ்சம் அப்படி இப்படி தான் சொல்றேன். ஏன்னா ஃபுல்லா
Okay,
தெரியல
bro.
எனக்கு.
Okay, bro.
கொஞ்சம் ஏதாவது தப்பு போனா அப்புறமா நம்ம மாத்திக்கலாம்.
Okay, bro.
Then last one is user service. In this user service, we will create an application same as this one. Here we use REST template. Why? Because in Saturday we have done 2 project, right?
Yes.
without using service registry and bro, Vinod bro, I'm talking in English only for you only. For understanding, hello?
கேக்குது வினோத் ப்ரோ. ஹலோ வினோத் ப்ரோ.
நான் தமிழ்லாம் லைக் இன்னும் ப்ராப்பரா சொல்றேன்.
ஆமா தமிழ்னா சரியா.
Spring Boot project we use REST template.
Okay.
Okay, so here we are creating an REST template object. Okay, so that we are importing bean. Bean only have the REST template thing.
Okay.
Okay, that's all. Other than that, everything is same.
Okay.
Log is coming from SLJ.
SL.
SL you know. Okay.
Okay.
And these are the methods in the service.
ஓகே.
So service class also you know. So this is this also you know. These are the thing we have to post using JSON in the Postman.
Okay.
This is department. I don't know this actually, but this one is see. This is department, right? This is user, right? This both are entity, right? In both of the class we have given name, right? Like values, variables. Here also we given. This will create object for both the classes. That's all.
Okay.
See, user is a class, right?
ஓகே. யூசருக்கும்
Department is a class, right? Both have getters and setter method. That create object for getters and setter method and constructor. That's all.
ஓகே.
Okay. So, so the main goal of the project is, if I'm giving, see, I will show the database. So this is my test one database. Here I have a department which department service will create, and user which this when I run this it will create.
Okay.
Okay.
See, here I have given right to create a database.
Okay.
To create a table. The table name will be user only because I have not added table name here. So basically what it does is, so it will like a user table is there, right? One. Department table is also there. Wait, user is one, right? Department is right, one, right? If I in the Postman, if I run, if I get ID one means it will return like the ID which has 1 year and the ID which has 1 year.
Okay.
It will return the records which has one ID, which one ID has.
Okay.
Yeah, if I give ID 1 year, it will return two of this. That's the thing. That's the goal of the project.
ஓகே. ஒன்னு கொடுத்தனா ரெண்டு டேட்டா ரெண்டு டேபிள்ல இருக்கிற
User and department bothல இருக்க.
This is the auto generated ID.
Okay.
So if I give one this ID will check with department ID.
Okay.
If one matches one, it will return these two things.
Okay.
If I have one if I have two values here and one value here if I give two it will only return this and department will be null.
Okay.
It will simple like it will just return the records which has same ID. That's all. That's the goal of the project.
இப்போ வந்து நீ ஐடி 2ன்னு கொடுத்தணும்னா டேபிள்ல வந்து ரெண்டாவது ஐடிக்கு ஏதாச்சும் நீ கொடுத்துருக்கோம்ல வேல்யூ?
Yeah, if I give now it will show an error because only one row is there in both the table.
Okay.
But if I have one table here, one table not here it will return only the table which has ID as 2.
Oh.
Here it will return null.
Okay.
See, simple. Like final thing is simple. We are having two projects. Okay. We are connecting with each of the project using this one, like
User service.
REST template.
REST
This is the main thing. Yeah, bean. So only we use bean. Okay. And the service registry is to handle the service thing. And the config is used to handle the configuration.
டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்
that's
வந்து
all.
கிளைண்ட் மாதிரி.
Yeah.
ஓகே.
ஓரளவுக்கு புரிஞ்சுதா?
புரிஞ்சுச்சு.
ஓகே ப்ரோ.
அதுக்கு அந்த
ஓரளவுக்கு
அந்த ரெஸ்ட் டெம்ப்ளேட் மட்டும் எதுக்குயா வரும் சும்மா சொல்லு.
REST template is used to communicate between two projects.
ஓகே.
அந்த டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்டுக்கும் யூசரையும் கம்யூனிகேட்
ஆ,
பண்றதுக்காக ரெஸ்ட்
ரெஸ்ட்.
டெம்ப்ளேட்.
அதுக்கான அனோட்டேஷன் தான் admin.
இருங்க நான் உங்களுக்கு காட்டுறேன். Creating a method. Okay. After that, we have
Why it is used, bro? REST template.
what, bro?
Why we use REST template there?
To communicate between two projects.
Between department service and user?
Yes.
Yeah.
எஸ்.
Okay, bro.
So in user serving thing. Okay.
ஓகே.
We are creating an response template VO. Okay, which is this one.
ஓகே.
ப்ரோ அதுதான் எனக்கு இன்னொரு டைம் சொல்லுங்க. இப்ப வந்து இதுல வந்து கண்ட்ரோலர், என்டிட்டி, ரெபாசிட்டரி, சர்வீஸ் எல்லாமே இருக்கு. கீழ அதான் அந்த
அதுதான் bro. A department is like he told like wait 1 second. Name, last name, email, ID, right?
ஓகே.
So in the database also it will not be there. புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? First name, last name, email, department ID is not 1 second. Is used to like see this one is
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நேம், லாஸ்ட் நேம், இமெயில், டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் ஐடி.
yeah. This thing is 1 second. This thing is related to this thing.
ஓகே.
ஓகேவா?
ஓகே ப்ரோ.
பாருங்க. சேமா? cross check bro அவ்வளவுதான்.
ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே.
if அதுல டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் என்டிட்டில
ஓகே.
அது ரெண்டுத்தையும் இது வந்து நம்ம ரெஸ்ட் டெம்ப்ளேட்னு போட்டு ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் டெம்ப்ளேட்னு போட்டு வச்சுக்கிறோம். we are adding a response template. அத வந்து we are creating an object like basic நம்ம பண்ணது.
ஓகே.
Okay, and we are using find by user id and returning it to the user object.
ஓகே.
It will store here. Okay, the department id will store here. One na it will store 1 here. Okay, so it will call the department. Here the one will go. Like you understand, like it will go to departments. I mean department service project here. Plus
Okay.
Bro, I didn't get the